For the fastest, friendliest, and best value in mobile dent repair, call Mobile Dent Repair Hialeah now at 786-563-4820. We come to your home or place of business, and using the best tools and state-of-the-art technique, we get your vehicle looking good again. And you can see in these before and after shots what's possible. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You don't have to put your car or truck in the shop for a week. You just have to call us, make an appointment, and let us do our thing. We're professional, reasonably priced, and we guarantee your satisfaction. Quit putting it off. Make the call and get those unsightly dents and dings gone. Call 786-563-4820 now. Your car or truck will be glad you did. Mobile Dent Repair Hialeah. Call us now.